Hey, it's your boy Nick, and this is Wolf, and welcome back to another episode. So in this video, we're gonna be showing you exactly how to do a complete closet makeover on a budget. So you're gonna wanna stick around for this one. And as always,
roll the intro.
So for those of you who know, we are currently renovating Wolfie's bedroom. And in the past few episodes, we redid his floor and did a ship black wall. And today we're gonna do something about his closet. So if you watched some of my previous videos, you will know that Wolf has many different jobs. And his current closet situation isn't quite working for him, so we're gonna do something about it.
It's so cool for Spider-Man! This is not working for me!
So over the past few days, we spent some time in the garage and we built this little cubby out of some 3/4 inch plywood. So the next step is to find the studs in the wall and attach it to those studs. So now that the cubby is attached to the wall and it's not going anywhere, we're also going to add a shelf on top. But because the two are made out of 3/4 inch plywood, you have this ugly end grain which we need to cover up with some trim. So let's hop over into the garage and then let's get that going. So to cover up that horrible end grain on the plywood, we're using this 1.25" by 1/2 inch primed pine. It's pretty inexpensive and it's a good material to cover up those ugly edges. So now that the shelf is cut to size, we're going to attach it to the top of the cubby by screwing it from the underside of the cubby. We're also going to add some supports to the wall to stop the shelf from sagging once there's weight on there. Once that's done, we're going to add the trim to the face of the plywood to cover up that ugly end grain, and then we're going to have a look at the closet rods and take a look at the door. So now that the trim is in and it's covered up all that ugly end grain on the plywood, we're going to fill the pinholes with spackle and let that dry. While it's drying, I want to talk to you about the closet doors. So this room is kind of small and it doesn't have any room for a mirror on the wall, so we decided to get a mirror closet door. But unless you want to spend hundreds of dollars, you can only really get this white trim mirror closet door, and I don't like that. So we're going to do something about it. We're going to take it into the garage and spray it black and then make it look a whole lot better. So let's go do that. So while we're in there painting the closet doors, I also have these closet pole hangers, which unfortunately came in silver, so we're going to spray them black to match the door. Okay, so now that the closet doors are all painted and the inside of the closet is now painted, it's now time to install the closet rods, to which I'm using 1.25" dowel material that I picked up from my local Home Depot. Once that's installed, it's then time to install the closet doors with all the necessary hardware, and then that project is pretty much complete. So I just want to say thanks for watching this video. If you got any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to ask me down below. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. If you want to go see some more day-to-day stuff, go follow me at RadDadBuilds. If you like DIY, home improvement, woodwork, furniture builds, and all-round rad stuff, go check out some of my other videos that will be floating around here in just a second. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!